Hey guys, it's Marcus Maloney, the Equity King, and I want to welcome you to this week's 2-minute wholesale meetup. On today, I want to talk about, should you disclose or not disclose that you're a wholesaler? That is the question. So I received this question quite a bit. Should I tell my seller that I am going to wholesale this transaction or find an end buyer for the deal? Is that something you should disclose, or is that something that you should keep privy to yourself? Well, I am a firm believer in integrity, and I'm going to answer this question this way. So we fix and flip and we wholesale deals. So do I disclose to our sellers that we're going to wholesale a deal that we decide not to flip? This is my response to that question. We always inform our sellers that we have partners on our transactions. We buy multiple deals, we're in multiple states, and due to that, sometimes our money is tied up. So we bring in other investor partners that assist us on closing the deals. And because they are bringing part of their money to the transaction, we do not have all of the say in determining if we're going to close or take down the property. So I always inform the sellers that although we are the primary partner in the transaction, we also have other partners in the transaction with us. Do they balk about that? Absolutely not. Actually, no one has ever asked me that question before. The only people that ask that question are newbie investors that's looking to get started. So don't stop yourself, stop the limiting beliefs, stop putting up roadblocks in front of yourself before you get started, and don't worry. Always use integrity when explaining to your sellers what you're going to do and what your plan is with the property. It's Marcus Maloney, the Equity King, signing off, and this is your 2-minute meetup.